Morning students, welcome to the Science 1 class. In the last video, we have learnt about Rutherford's atomic model. Today, we are going to learn about Bohr's model of an atom. Niels Bohr in 1913 proposed a new atom model. He made a few additional explanations to describe the atomic structure. The postulates put forward by Niels Bohr were as follows. Firstly, only certain special orbits called discrete orbits of electrons are allowed inside the atom. Secondly, while revolving in these discrete orbits, the electrons do not radiate energy. Now, these points definitely tell us why an atom is so stable. But what exactly are these paths or orbits in which the electrons revolve around the nucleus? Let's understand with an example. Do you know how our solar system is? Yes, it appears somewhat like this. Now, here the sun is stationary at the center while the planets revolve around it. But have you noticed that the planets always revolve in fixed path? We never find any planet jumping to a different path all of a sudden, right? They always encircle the sun in defined paths. In a similar way, we have the atomic structure. The nucleus acts like the sun, located at the center, and the electrons are like planets, which revolve in fixed defined orbitals. These electron orbitals are referred to as shells or energy levels. Now, the name energy levels gets us to an important concept. Niels Bohr suggested that the electrons revolving in these orbitals do not radiate energy. Now, this is justified when we use the term energy level because it indicates that each shell has got a defined energy level. That means when the electrons revolve in these shells, they do not liberate any form of energy. And how do we name these shells to indicate their position? It's simple. Beginning from the one near the nucleus, we name them as the K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell, and so on. Yes, K, L, M, N, and so on. And what if we want to number them? In that case, we use the letter N in lower case. They write them as an N equals 1, N equals 2, N equals 3, and so on. Beginning from the one next to the nucleus, so we can name them alphabetically or we can even number them with all these theories and points known. Do we know the structure of a typical atom completely? The nucleus contains positive protons and the electrons revolving around in fixed orbitals. Bohr's model works well for simple atoms and it is easy to understand it. The one among the atomic structure still in the use today and the other being the quantum mechanical model. I hope you all understood. Thank you students. Have a good day.